Makapanayam naman natin si Connie Bungag, Officer in Charge ng Manila International Airport Authority Public Affairs Department. Magandang umaga, Ms. Bungag.
Yes, Howie, good morning.
Yeah. Ano ba yung standard operating procedure o SOP kapag may nagkakagulo tulad na nangyari kina Mon Tulfo at sa mag-asawang Raymart at Claudine?
Well, of course, ang initial instructions for guards dyan is always to pacify both parties, no? So, how to pacify them is syempre, paghihiwalayin mo sila so that no further conflict will ensue. So, just like what they did as has been shown dun sa YouTube video.
Yeah. Hanggang saan ang jurisdiction ng pamunuan ng NAIA kaugnay sa security ng mga pasahero at mga empleyado ng NAIA at mga airline?
Actually, Howie, no, when you talk about security, syempre, overall, dyan is the general manager of the airport, no? But security inside the terminals, we share that also with the PNP Aviation Security Group because sila naman ang may expertise on acts of terrorism. And then the airlines themselves also employ itong mga private security agencies for their redundancy checks doon sa gate. So, we have various security agencies operating within the airport, but all of them are required to undergo certain accreditation procedures set forth by the Manila International Airport Authority, and all access issued to them are issued by the FAA.
Yeah.
So, effectively, it's still the NIA who has supervision over all of them.
Nire-review ba ngayon ng Airport Authority yung nangyari nung linggo, yung response ng security ng airport?
Actually, may mga, I know what you're referring to, no? Kasi may mga accusations na parang kulang or parang hindi responde on time, no? But these guards are, you know, ang mga guardia kasi dyan, no? May mga areas sila where they are assigned, no? Doon sa area kung saan nangyari yung insidente, we also have around 6 to 7 security guards assigned in that area. So, nung nangyari yung insidente, they were informed and immediately they responded, no? Alongside with us, the airport police, yung organic airport police namin, who altogether joined hands para maabatan kung ano man yung mga posible pang mangyari sa kanila.
Yeah, kasi
so,
yung... Yeah, Connie, kasi yung isang saksi, yung isang pasahero na kapanayam namin, ang sinabi niya medyo mainit na raw yung mood ng mga tao dahil marami na raw delayed flights, may mga na-offload na bagahe. Kaya ang sinabi niya, medyo matagal nagpakita yung security kahit medyo papalitan na nagsasagutan na yung mga empleyado at saka yung ibang pasahero. At hindi kaya yun parang warning na o parang indication na dapat medyo lumalapit na yung security kung sakaling may mangyaring ganun nga?
Actually, siguro the point lang kasi na nag-trigger nung is when one of the parties allegedly approached Mr. Tufo because of yung photo supposed to be na kinukuha niya, no? But ang SOP, ang expectation kasi din, Howie, is when you have a problem, especially if you're a passenger, karapatan mo yun na i-bring forth yung concern mo with the airline staff, no? But I don't know what happened between Ms. Claudine and that airline staff, no? Na I don't know kung what actually transpired, but the security normally are within the area. Foot patrol, they move from one end to the other. Siguro lang, I don't know kung at what point nangyari yung palitan ng salita between Ms. Barreto and that airline staff.
Yeah. Sa panahon ngayon kasi, kung saan-saan nang may CCTV camera, no? Ultimong convenience store, meron na po.
Yes,
bakit po daw walang CCTV footage ng insidente na sana'y naging ebidensya sa nangyaring noong linggo?
Ang reason naman dyan, how is, because as everybody knows, Terminal C has been a subject of a legal arbitration case, between the Philippine government and its builders in Piasco, no? So, for a while, natenga yung terminal. Systems were there, but hindi pa siya complete at the time na natenga itong building na ito. So, finally, when we were able to obtain from the court to finally fix whatever has been left unfinished, and proof nga yan yung signing that nangyari sa Japan with Secretary Rojas and Takenaka, who has been identified to complete yung unfinished portion of the terminal. Kasama yung CCTV na yan because we have been working since the terminal was closed. So, effectively, hindi na siya gumagana. So, ito yung kasama doon sa 23 completion work that Takenaka is, that we're negotiating yung Takenaka to finish.
Okay. Kailan po ang timetable para matapos tong CCTV camera? Kasi medyo, sa ngayon, medyo essential na po yan sa mga security ng mga building katulad ng terminal ng airport.
Yes, Awi. Ito namang CCTV na to is actually the priority sa 23 completion works, no? So hopefully we can start and finish it within the year, no? Para finally ma-cover na lahat yung areas ng terminal.
Okay, maraming salamat, Connie Bungag ng Manila International Airport Authority.